Hello everyone. I already explained kinds of sentences part 1. Now kinds of sentences part 2. Okay. Here simple sentences, complex sentence and compound sentence. Okay. Now let's see a simple sentence. Okay. It has only one independent clause. How you identify simple sentence. Okay. It has only one independent clause and makes complete sense. It has only one subject and one finite verb. Finite verb means verb that changes its form. Okay, all tenses means present tense, past participle, these all past perfect, these all finite verb. Okay, verb that changes its form. Is that clear? A simple sentence has only one independent clause and makes complete sense. It has only one subject and one finite verb. For example, see, the policeman chased the burglar. Okay, burglar means thief or robber. Okay, here see, only one finite verb, chased. Okay, we shall visit our grandparents next week. See, this sentence also we can see only one finite verb that changes its form. Okay, here simple future tense, so here visit. Okay, then here shall be visiting, like that. Okay, it changes its form. That means one finite verb. Now see one more important message. A simple sentence has only one finite verb. Hence, if a sentence has more than one finite verb and you want to convert it into a simple sentence, okay, more than one finite verb, then you want that sentence to convert it into simple sentence, you have to use suitable phrases that time, okay, or infinitives or participles or adverbs, okay, that time. If any sentence has more than one finite verb, that time what will you do? You have to use suitable phrases, infinitives, participles, adverbs, okay. In this way only one finite verb remains, okay. You remove other finite verb. See, for example, I shall go to the market and I shall buy bangles there. See here, go and buy, two finite verb. Okay, go and buy, two finite verb. Two finite verb I written here. Okay, now how you change it into simple sentence? Okay, see, I shall go to the market to buy bangles. Here word to buy use, that means infinitive use, so it become simple sentence. Now second example, the cat heard a noise and it jumped. See here two finite verb, heard and jumped. Okay, now how you make it simple sentence? Hearing a noise, the cat jumped. Okay, here we used participle. Okay, ing form of verb but functions like an adjective. Is that clear? Simple sentence and how you change the sentence into simple sentence and make only one finite verb. Now types of sentence, a simple sentences here. See again few examples. Okay, I consulted Dr. Shah, who is a famous surgeon. In this sentence, we can see two finite verb, one consulted and one is. Now, we remove one finite verb and make it simple sentence. Okay, see, I consulted Dr. Shah, a famous surgeon. Here we use noun phrase. Okay, a famous surgeon. Here only one finite verb remained. Okay, so it is simple sentence. Next one more sentence. See, the lawyer has reached the court and he has been punctual. Here also two finite verb, has reached and has been punctual. Okay, now see how we remove one finite verb and make simple sentence. Okay, the lawyer has reached. Okay, actually here main verb and this one auxiliary verb. So here only one finite verb, reached. So we made simple sentence, the lawyer has reached the court punctually. We use the word punctually means adverb. Okay. Next, the girl in the pink dress is my sister. Here only one finite verb. Why? If there is no main verb, we consider auxiliary verb as main verb. So here is main verb. So only one finite verb, so it is simple sentence. And here one more sentence. See, Ritik had a favorite dog called Tommy. Here also no main verb. If there is no main verb, that time we consider auxiliary verb as main verb. So here had finite verb. Okay. Next, Mary had a little lamb. Here also no main verb. So we consider auxiliary verb as main verb. So this one also what? Simple sentence. Okay. I could see till the age of 10. Here auxiliary verb and main verb. So only one finite verb. So this also simple sentence. Okay. Now again and again you watch this video and you see the definition of simple sentence, then you will get it. Okay. Thank you.